India. This is for our class 20 school KVOGC and Namirath, my mate who has been in making of this project. We have made this project on the Indian caste system. Now, to understand the caste system better, we have to understand what caste is. Caste is a group of people living together bearing a common name. Now, we have to discuss about the origin of the caste system. The caste system, many historians are still skeptical about the origins of the caste system, but mostly all of them believe that it is a very ancient system that was believed to be originated in the early period from 600 BC to 1000 BC. Now, the caste system has certain varnas. The number of varnas are 4. The Brahmanas, the Vaishyas, the Shudras and the Kshatriyas. Now, the functions of these 4 varnas are different. Like the Brahmanas have to study the Vedas and perform sacrifices. The Kshatriyas have to administer justice, get sacrifices performed, and protect the people. Vaishyas are supposed to engage in agriculture, trade and pastoralism, whereas the only one function of the Shudras is to serve the upper 3 classes. Now, Namira will tell you about the caste system in the present scenario.
Good morning, everyone. As you all know, the caste system is deep-rooted in our society. We all are aware of the caste inequalities or the notion of caste, pollution and all that. But during this project, we observed certain changes in the caste system which has come since independence. For example, 3 changes we have taken are attitudinal change, functional change and structural change. Several articles in the constitution are introduced to abolish untouchability, reserve seats for SCs and STs to bring them to the upstream of the society. We can say that yes, there is caste system in our society, but it is changing slowly. In spite of all the efforts made by Dr. Ambedkar, Ram Manohar Lohia, Jagjivaan Ram, still the caste system is prevalent in our society. It is the part of our life, day-to-day life, because caste is a very sensitive issue of Indian people. As you can see, all have observed that during election times, leaders go from villages to villages appealing to votes in the name of caste. So this caste politics is still here. Caste politics is the main reason for this system still deep-rooted in our society. Until and unless this caste politics or making vote bank in the name of caste or appealing for votes is abolished, this caste system will not get removed. And we people are still very sensitive about our caste. We have to think above the caste, above the religion and above our region. First of all, we are human beings, we are Indians. We do not belong to any caste or religion. First relation of a human to a human is of humanity. We need to understand this, and through this project, we have this is a small effort in this regard to remove this caste-based inequalities, which are still these atrocities, which are still present in our society. So I hope that this effort might aware you all, and you all think about this caste system. You think about the caste and believe the human as a human and not treat him as of this caste or lower caste or upper caste or whatever. Thank you so much.
Thank you.